I start this week's video with a confession. One of my favorite things on the menu of Starbucks isn't a beverage, but a bite. Specifically, those sous vide egg bites. They come in these small packets and they're just delicious. Well, for a while, I've been working on how to recreate those at home, and I think I found a really good way using an egg poacher pan. So today, I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, in my last video, I showed how to use one of these. This is an egg poacher pan, and this is what we're gonna use to cook our sous vide style egg bites today. And if you haven't checked out that other video, please do. It's gonna tell you all about this pan, how to use it, everything. And I'll put a link to that video in the description below. So this egg poacher pan has 4 cups, and the ingredients I'm going to use are 3 eggs, 1/8 a cup of half and half. You can also use milk if you'd like. And then 1/4 cup of a cheese blend. This particular blend is provolone, Asiago, Romano, and Parmesan. And then finally, just some salt and pepper to your liking. Now, these ingredients are highly flexible, so if you want to use cheddar cheese or Swiss cheese, go for it. You can also add meat, such as bacon or turkey or ham, but here's the important thing. The meat must be cooked. So we're going to mix this all together, but if you're going to add meat to this, make sure that it is already cooked. The amount of cooking time that it takes to make these is really short, and it's not enough to cook raw meat. So all that's left to do is mix these ingredients together and cook them. You can mix them with just a plain old whisk, but guys, I gotta admit, part of the reason I wanted to make this video is because I wanted to show you the newest thing that I scored at the thrift store, this vintage General Electric mixer, this little hand mixer. I got this for like, I don't know, $5 or $6. And it is so cool. This thing just works like a charm. It's like super old, but it cleaned up well, made in America. This thing is like built like a tank. So let's use this and let's mix up our mixture for my sous vide style egg bites. Okay, as for using the egg poacher pan, it is the same method as I described in my last video. We just fill the pan with some water, we bring that up to a simmer, and then we put the egg cup holder on top. Now all we have to do is pour our mixture into the egg cup holders and cook. And here we go. Just like last time, I put a little bit of butter in each of these cups. That's going to help the eggs not stick when we take them out. It's also going to provide a little more flavor. So I'm just going to pour this in. Again, we're going to divide this by 4, so just kind of portion it out. You can add a little more if needed. Yeah, so we'll give this guy a little bit more and add a little more here. And there you go. Now we're just going to put a lid on. I am going to set a timer, and we are going to cook these over medium heat for about 6 minutes or until these eggs are nice and firm and cooked all the way through. Then soon enough, we will be chomping into our sous vide style egg bites. Yum. And just look at these guys cook. It's only been about 3 minutes here. Now, FYI, if the egg looks like it's going to reach the top of the lid, just kind of grab the lid and lift up, and that's going to allow the eggs to kind of calm down a bit. We don't want them sticking to the glass here. We'll give these a couple more minutes. Okay, it's been just over 6 minutes. Let's see how these eggs turned out. Oh, look at these. These puffed up a little bit. Just beautiful. So what I'm going to do is put one of these on a plate, and I'm just going to take a fork and make sure that there's no like gooiness in here. Yeah, these look These look great. Now all that's left to do is try one. So here they are. Don't these just look fantastic? Boy, they are just still steaming. Now, just like those Starbucks style egg bites, you know, you can eat these whenever you want. Right now it's about lunchtime and these are looking great. So just kind of take a fork. And it's creamy, it's cheesy, it's still kind of fluffy. Yum. So that is how to make sous vide style eggs at home without a sous vide and just doing it in an egg poacher pan. Try this out, experiment with it. You know, you can add different types of ingredients. You can add more cream if you want even creamier eggs. Just experiment and have fun with it. Hey, thanks for watching. My name is Chef Matt. This is I Want to Cook. I really appreciate you checking out this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. If you are not already a subscriber, welcome. Would love to have you subscribe. I know that there's a lot of stuff to watch here on YouTube, so I appreciate you taking the time to check this out. If you have any recipe requests, anything you want to know about the kitchen, or just tips of your own, I would love to see those in the comments below. Until next time, keep on cooking. Eject! Eject!